my name's Dan from OCAM 4x4 Accessories. Today I'm just going to give you a video on how to fit the driving visors to suit a 200 series Landcruiser. Okay, so first step is we need to clean the surface of the vehicle. You can use a microfiber cloth or pre-wash the vehicle. Just make sure there's no dirt on the surface. Second step is unpackage the driving visor. Make sure it's for the correct side of the vehicle. When you're removing the double-sided tape, on the 200 series, the tape goes a little bit longer. We only apply a quarter of the section against the door frame. To fit the driving visor, first we align the corner of the driving visor to the corner between the side mirror and the door frame. Just make sure you follow the edge all the way through and make sure so it's correctly fitted, as well as the ridge will follow the door frame. Same steps as the front for the rear. Unpackage, just make sure you peel the double-sided tape off, clean the surface. Same thing, we want to align the corner of the driving visor against the corner of the vehicle, and as well as the ridge against the ridge on the door. And same thing, you just want to make sure you want to just apply it so it sits evenly with the door frame. That's it. Simple, eh?